Yeah, I like the idea of, not just, doing drugs and listening to music.
We are Guerilla Science. We are here at Symbiosis Gathering 2016, where we're putting on a whole weekend worth of activities all through the day and night. Right now we've got Anatomical life drawing happening. Let's take a look.
Create a really nice, beautiful, defined composition is leaving some elements a little bit softer and then really defining one area that you want to stand out.
Love the concept of just integrating art with science is also a form of teaching.
It's kind of cool that you get people in there for one thing and then get them talking about something that's science-based. In this case, help them out with their health.
I think that's really what people are most excited about, to see, oh, so science can still be a part of my life.
That talk was amazing. It's cool to see how many people turn up in the midday of a super hot festival to sit in a sweaty tent and hear about spider sex.
I've never been speed dating where someone smelled my armpit.
We did the eye contact.
Yeah.
The sense of time goes away when you're having a good time doing something like that.
So I like the hands-on-ness.
The really good thing about this event is that we're really reaching out to people and breaking down kind of the stigma of talking about this kind of stuff.
I definitely enjoyed lunging into the vagina heroically.
I was really excited to come to Symbiosis just because they had science of tie-dye, and it was really nice to learn about where indigo actually comes from, different methods of tie-dyeing, and just the natural aspect of it.
I've never done anything like it before, and being able to use emotion as a competition. I mean, I'm a competitive guy, but I've never had to channel emotions for that competition.
Welcome to the Guerilla Science Fire Organ Open Mic. Feel free to step up and play with fire. What you're seeing is a fully analog sound visualizer.
It was really cool, man. I didn't expect it to be so responsive.
It's just really fun to play with. I want it everywhere I go.
So we're here to basically make sure people know how important it is to keep practicing science and that they can do it too. There's no boundaries.